cause I'm looking at left, looking left. big big bull, right? Strong bullish trend. There's the retest. Right now, on lower time frame, it's just creating a support. Pretty strong support. Where is that? But yeah, see a bullish today. Target one. Put in the live stream thing. Yo, what's poppin', bros? I will talk. Came in with my thing and let my headset.
Unpin.
Yeah, that's cool, Dev. It's cool, my brother.
Unpin. Pin. Unpin.
Bro, stop it.
I'm gonna wake these guys up. Unpin. Pin. There he is. Is that Sam?
Nah, that's my boy Sean.
Oh, bro, I'm waking you
What's
guys.
up, my brother? What's up, Sean?
What up?
What up?
What up? What up?
Dude, Dumbo, the 100 pip thing hit. Oh, you already see that? No, man.
Chat. Bro, I went to sleep right after he sent it. I'm like, oh my god, bro. I'm dead.
Sean, you caught it?
Yeah, 100 pips.
Hey.
100 pips?
100 pips.
Yeah, your runner hit.
Oh, you went to the bigger target.
Yeah.
My runner only went. I left my runner to the smaller runner. Like I had 2 runner targets. I was looking at like on a video analysis. I sent it an agent. I had the first runner analysis at this target right here.
Yeah,
this resistance.
going bullish, bro.
And then my second target was this one right here.
Over there.
Yeah, so that's 100,000. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna go to sleep, so I put the shorter one, but good shit, bro. Good
It was
shit.
a big game.
Shit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
found a decent support right here. So.
That video analysis was sent at 6 p.m. and the exact thing played out. I'm like, I'm gonna wait for. I'm like, okay, so this is a range. In the video, I'm like, this is a range. The 1 hour, this is a range. I'm like, well, all we need is a bullish candle closure as support. Once you have the bullish candle closure, I'm gonna enter a buy. And then what happened? We had this bullish candle closure, enter a buy, no drawdown, right? This wick had no drawdown, and then from there, I'm like, I'm gonna hold it to here, take partials around this area, and leave a runner all the way up to here, and then, you know,
Boom.
it just smacked.
This is
Cause like
beautiful.
times like this, people would just like, you know, TP here, or you know, you can TP here, nothing's wrong with that, but you can anticipate the whole running move based off the higher time frames. Like you can turn your scalps into a swings, and that's what I always do. Well, I always try to do.
What are scuffs?
What?
Huh? Sir?
Did you say something? Wait, what did you
Scalps.
say? Swings and what?
No,
Scalps.
he said you could turn your swings into scalps if
Your scalps into swings.
Yeah, my bad. I'm tripping, bro. I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning, bro. I ain't thinking shit.
Hey, GG's going up here.
Yeah. I found a support, so yeah.
I'm entering a buy here.
My target is one of them. First one is let me get the exact coordinate. 138, 200. Don't feel that wick. So if it fails it, it's either gonna retest and then go back down, or just go right through that shit. Cause there's some big news that's gonna come soon.
I got in here. I got
138, 286.
Stop loss is 15 pips, and target is gonna be 55 pips. I got in at 138.01.
Alright.
I'm gonna take partials. I'm gonna take partials around this area over here.
Target of the day, 138.750 for me.
I didn't even like mark this up. I just saw the way the candles flip. I moved. Hold on. Let me just mark this up properly first. We had a range. Cool. We had some type of resistance here. Some type of support down here. This kind of broke the highs of this, so that's how I had a buy stop, and then I'm taking partials at around this area for 25 pips, and I'm leaving a runner all the way up for 53 pips. It's a Friday, so my targets aren't gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna move stops to entry here on GJ. It's a Friday, so I'm not really gonna try to push the markets as much. I'm just gonna like chill out, leave my like I'm not gonna have a bigger target on a Friday. Move looks good, but gotta remember the Friday still.
Friday and NFP Friday.
Yeah. My stops are entry. Damn. Nice. Secure 10 pips here. Now I'm gonna have a runner. I just closed
Half of both my positions. 27 pips in profit. 28 pips.
If you guys got in that trade, I think I gave you guys a little late entry, but it was like a no drawdown trade for me type shit. Like, because like I had like a buy stop, not buy stop. I got market execution and right when I saw it, this kind of closed bearish at support. We made some type of support here, right? This is some type of support. Draw a line across, and then this kind of broke the highs of that. So if you got in for right here, you would have no drawdown on this move, and now this is a clean candle up to this target right here. This will be your first initial target. 138, 300. That's quick. Quick and fucking profit.
Yep. I got in literally at the bottom of the current candle. Trying to. All my goals this month limit my drawdown.
Wait, you're 25 pips in profit?
28.
How'd you get down here?
I got in at the bottom of the current candle. I'm
28 pips. That's 13 pips.
Yeah, one is 13 pips, other one's 12 pips.
Oh, you got 2 entries. So that's just one. That's just 12 pips then.
Ding, ding, ding.
Bro, I honestly hate when people do that though. Like when people say I'm 100 pips in profit and they entered they're like 10 pips in profit times 10.
Oh, like that's what like US 30. I hate when people do that shit. I'm like, bro, that's just 100, like a pip a point, basically.
No, not even that, but like, they're just like they stack their trades, like they're 10 pips in profit in general, but they stack their trades 10 times and they'll be like, I'm 100 pips in profit.
Oh no.
I don't look at it like that. I never. No, that's 10 pips. Or you?
Cause I got at the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, 15. But you said 20. I'm like, wait, 28. Where'd you get in? Down here?
But nah. I'm just
yeah. I think I'm the 15 also closed bullish before too. 30-minute closed bullish. The 1 hour closed bearish before, so buy sales have been clean. And then now like the 4 hour made a lower wick and now it's flipping bullish, and I'm expecting this 4 hours to fill this wick actually. I'm actually gonna move my target up. Actually, I didn't see this. The 4 hour has this wick that needs to get filled, and if you're anticipating that this is the low of the candle right here, price shouldn't come back to this low if it wants to go up today. So stop should be at risk free right now, and we should be able to ride this trade all the way up to this wick right here for 57 plus more, because this is just a wick fill, and a wick fill usually breaks the resistance half of the time. Because on a smaller time frame, there's a resistance here on like a 1 hour or something.
bro, once it breaks that 130, 300, it's just clean traffic at that point, man.
Let's see, we're gonna have a runner too. You know what? Yeah, I'm just not. It's a Friday, so I'll leave it here. Not gonna go far today. I don't wanna push it today. Usually I would try to leave a runner, cause I know like this wick's gonna get filled. I know that we're probably gonna continue to go bullish once we fill that wick. It's just that like I don't wanna really
push it too much to do
too much pressure on the trade, you know. I'd rather just, cause like man, I'm not gonna lie to you, 141 and 178. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm not down, bro. I'm not down. I'm not down.
This is the craziest shit I've said, but like if you look at the daily, man, like we have some resistance here, but there's a wick fill in the 4-hour. Actually, hold on. There's a yeah. So this wick fill in the 4-hour leads us to this resistance right here. So I swipe left.
Wait, zoom out. Yeah, zoom
I
out.
swipe left.
So you can see.
I swipe actually yeah. I think probably 139 500. Because this wick fill is gonna lead us up to this right here, and we're probably gonna break that. Because if you guys think about it, I would draw down what a wick fill is and how it breaks certain areas. Hold on, let me move stops to entry.
Whoa, what a fucking.
Oh, I moved at the right time. I hit an entry.
It's alright. Whoa, what a fucking retrace. Ouch. Okay.
Damn, stops a bit, right when I said it, stops a bit, hit an entry. Yeah. I moved out on train view earlier, but I didn't move my position because I forgot. Damn. Well, that was 10 pips for me. Runner didn't go.
Well, good thing I closed half. It's alright. I didn't make no profit from the Tuesday, so I stopped the.
Alright. Anyway, that's what I was saying. So the 4-hour has a nice wick that has to get filled. So this wick, if this is a smaller time frame, I'll enter on this based off the 4-hour. I'll have probably like a, 40 pip stop loss for like I think probably 140 pip gain, right? If this is like the 15-minute time frame or 30-minute, I'll enter off this candle alone, because this candle, what it shows is it shows this. It's like this. This is how it looks. So on a smaller time frame, how this happened, how this kind of formed the way it formed, was pretty much because it turned off. Damn.
Ouch.
I think it's gonna turn back on now. For YouTube still going.
Alright. I think I'm gonna look for a re-entry.
Alright guys, my bad. I think I got cut off. But okay, let me explain this again. So this 4-hour candle forms something like this. So on a smaller time frame, on the 1-hour, let's just say this is what happened on the 1-hour. You had a bullish kind of movement like this. Oh. You had bullish kind of closure like this, right? And then the next candle came up, popped up. Next candle popped up, that resistance. And then the last candle closed bearish, like this. And now there's a wick fill, right? The last candle closed like this, bearish. So on a smaller time frame, on a 1-hour, this is how it closed. These 4 candles add up to this one big candle, right? It makes sense because bullish, 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 top wick right here, top wick, and then this wick down was just a bearish move down to this body, which lines up right there. So on a smaller time frame, they closed bearish, but on a bigger time frame, it actually just retests the support. I mean, on a smaller time, just retests the support, which is right here. And then on a bigger time frame, there's this wick that needs to get filled now because it bounced off this support. So the next candle, since it's a higher time frame, it's gonna take over a smaller time frame, and it's gonna continue that bullish trend to fill that wick. So now you're gonna probably have something like this. So now that's the 4-hour candle. You're gonna have something like this probably on a 4-hour. A candle that pops up, bullish, fills that wick and breaks it, and the wick of that lower wick of that candle just is gonna respect the previous candle low like that, and you're gonna get a nice move up to fill that wick. And since it's just a wick, it's just this is just a wick. Go back on a smaller time frame. If I were to draw this back again, when price goes back up, it's gonna look something like this. It's gonna pop up, and then continue to go up, and it's retesting the high again. As I said, every time price retests the high, it has a high chance of breaking it. Cause like technically, so this is the 1 hour count. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour. So technically, when you have some type of confirmation here, the 1 hour closure support here, same type of entry I had yesterday for the GJ buy last night. You have 1 hour closure support here. Price is gonna respect this low and continue to push up on this candle, and it should retest the high. And when it retests the high, you could anticipate that there's gonna be a continuation, right, or a wick fill. Because this on this time frame, this is the wick fill. But on a smart, on like if it was like a different trade ideal, different analysis, you could anticipate that it's gonna break this resistance because this is the second time it's retesting the high. Because price can't just continue to go up. This is a pullback, right? So when price retests the high, it's probably gonna continue the trend. So that's how wick fills work, and that's how like everything just lines up. Because like I hear way too many people just say, well, there's gonna be a wick fill here in a 4 hour, or there's gonna be a wick fill here on 30 minute, and they'll be pointing at a wick fill like back in like like June of 2019. Like it doesn't make any sense,
Yep.
You really just gotta understand like what a wick fill is and what does it mean. Like how does a wick fill form? Those are the questions you should be asking yourself. Gotta go in depth. Yeah, 15 minutes is gonna close doji here. Let's see how it closes.
Might go back into a re-entry on a buy, but I'll wait. Wait it out.
This might be my only trade. Not gonna lie. Cause it tapped this minor 15-minute resistance. That's what it tapped.
Yeah. See. Bro, my friend told me, I hope you didn't enter that buy. I'm like, yeah, I did. My move stops at the profit just in time. And I closed half, so I'm up today. Just build up my tank again. We live, baby.
This is a nice sell though. This right here, on the 15, on the 30 minute, this is a fake out because you had this resistance here, and you had this support. And whenever price comes back into range, I see this every single stream. Price has 85% chance of filling it, which it did right here. I'm not gonna say 85% anymore, bro. I'm gonna say 100, bro. I swear, every time it does this, it just fills the range. And never, this thing never like fails. Like I don't know, like this fake out never fails, right? Candle closure here. This candle broke the low. You would have sell stops right there, coming back in the range, and you would anticipate a move down to the support.
Cause, bro, GJ literally been doing the same thing this whole week.
Yeah, this is the same thing
every time. Each morning, doing the same movement. It does this one sell pattern like we're seeing right now. Like does this fake out to sell, retests this, goes back to the range, and then breaks the range. Like literally, this has been GJ the whole week. Like I bet you $100 I've been doing this shit the whole week. Literally the whole week.
Man, oh man.
Man, oh man.
Plus 64 pips. Damn. Let's see what gold is gonna do today. I'm expecting a bullish move. But right now, another time frame is just bearish. On daily, it's still bullish technically, right? I'm expecting, as long as gold respects this low right here, we should be able to go up. It's just we don't have any type of entry right now because the small time frame is just showing bearish. If we get some type of confirmation on a small time frame, I'll potentially look for call signal for it. But As of now, this candle's still bearish. I can't really call any buys, but as long as we respect this low, we should go up. But if we break this low, I can tell you that we're gonna continue to go down, further down. But it's NFP, right? So I'll probably wait for the news to come out first and then look for potential entries. But yeah, this 4 hour, the way it looks like it's gonna come down to 1696 here. It broke this low right here. You know, so this wick should get filled in 1 hour as well to come down to this support. GJ's coming down. I'm gonna have a sell stop on GJ. No, I'm not. I'm gonna give a signal. What am I saying? So I'm gonna give a sell stop on GJ at this low right here, this candle. At 137.868, I'm gonna give a signal for it for a sell to come down to this support here. It's just that I think stops are way too big. Let's see. I should know 17 pips or 22 pips. It's not bad. Because technically, we're still bearish on a smaller time frame. So it's like that move buy on a smaller time frame was just anticipation of us of I guess like a low of the buy, right? But now like obviously if GJ doesn't want to go up, it's gonna break this low here. And if it breaks that low, it's probably gonna continue to come down. And you can't really force a buy when GJ is not gonna show you buys. You know what I mean? So, but trades like this, like want to enter a trade, like I would enter a trade here on a fresh candle, right? Or like when it's just starting to move. But like as it comes back down again, I'm not gonna enter that trade because when I enter that trade again, it's like price already made its move up, and that's where I moved stops to entry, and then that's where I took partials at, right? But then like when price comes back down and you want to enter again, it's like it's gonna be a little more risky because you don't know if it's gonna remake that move because when you first enter that move, you have that security, you have security of you know moving stops to entry because you know it's gonna be 10% profit like off his push. But now like that's coming back down, you don't know if it's gonna continue to go up again. It's not the same type of entry, you know. It's at the same entry spot, but it's not the same move, you know. It's not like a buy stop you had or a break of a range or something. It's just like you're entering the same move again when the candles are reformed type thing. So sorry, like, I wouldn't really enter again. If I were to enter again, I'll wait for a 30-minute close. That'll be a whole different trade. We'll see what GG does here. It'll be a little wonky today. Alex, Brody, you have a mic, bro? Just for free seeing your charts, you know, it's NFP day. It's gonna be kind of lit in here. NFP's in an hour and 15 minutes. An hour and 9 minutes to be exact. Ooh. If this 30-minute close is bullish, I'm gonna try to attempt a second entry on GJ, but that'll be my last attempt on GJ for buys. Cause I hit first trade, I secured like I didn't secure 50%, I secured like 25%, and then I let the trade hit my entry. That wasn't very much. Uh, 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 uh. Wait for hi. Ivan Kato. What up? What up? If drop rate is high, does US dollar gets weak? Um, if these numbers are, yeah, if the numbers are high, the dollar gets weaker. Yeah. So if the unemployment rate, no, if what was it? I think of yeah.
Well,
Yo, what up?
dang, this ass go freaking kicked right into my freaking power cord.
So to answer your question, so for unemployment rate, you need bad numbers for the currency to go up, right? And these are you need good numbers because unemployment rate, you're gonna need obviously. What was it? Yeah, so unemployment rate, you're obviously gonna need, you know, when America loses United States loses more jobs, obviously that's bad for the currency. So you're gonna need probably good numbers for this. I mean, like, bad numbers for this, for it to be good, and for these you need good numbers. But the thing about NFP is some people you could have buy stops and sell stops, you know, do your thing. But it's just I don't really do that. You know, I'm just like I just like get the bits after the news comes, right? Or the bits before. So if I know that numbers are gonna be bad or numbers gonna be good, I'll take that information and I'll use it to my advantage after the news comes out or my entries for the rest of the day. But like I'm not really trading gold or US30 today, so I'm not really gonna touch it. But from a technical standpoint, you know, we're pretty bullish here on US30. We're looking like we're gonna go to 26951. You know, that's like the next day of resistance. That's why I'm saying that. I'm not pulling up any magical number or anything. But right now we're at this minor resistance. Let's see. Can you look for entries now? So yeah, you could look for entries actually. You could look for entries right now actually, as we break this high right here. Yeah, right now. We're gonna retest this high right here. Oh man, like this. It's a 500-point move for like a, you know, a 200-point stop loss, and you can have a runner all the way up to this target up here. 26602.
Coronavirus.
Perfect. All right, target today. I put this right here. What happened to your power, Jimmy?
My freaking nephew, he kicked it
Bruh.
for accident. I'm like, what? Cause look, I was just chilling on my phone. Then like, I just heard like my computer turn off. I'm like, what the hell just happened? I said, snuck into my room, bro. My work area. Leave me alone. Get out of here, dude.
So once the 30-minute count closes bullish, I'm gonna look for a second entry here on GJ. Because we formed some type of support already. Right here, we formed bullish or bearish. What would XAU USD prediction? I don't know. I don't know the numbers when they come out. But from a technical standpoint, I can tell you that. I already explained it actually. I can tell you that I'm bullish today on GS30. I mean on GJ. I mean not on GJ, on gold. As long as we respect this low, right? Like right now, there's no entries for buys though. Everything's just bearish on a smaller time frame. The 15 is bearish, the 30 minutes bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, the 4 hours is bearish. The only thing that's still bullish is the daily, right? This candle closed bullish yesterday, so I was expecting like this candle pop up like this, as expected, tap this resistance. But obviously, if price breaks this low here, I can tell that it's gonna go further down. So you can have a sell stop right here on gold at 1696600 to come down to maybe this level, this key level right here to support, or maybe down to this support down here, you know. So yeah. But like yeah, on the smaller time, everything's just bearish, man. Like there's really nothing that's bullish at all for gold right now. This Wick's gonna get filled here, eventually tap that 696. So then you can start to anticipate that's gonna break that level as well, because that's gonna break the daily low. So you see how everything just lines up, you know, off the hourly time frame. Yep, that's why I thought so. Yeah.
Super squeaky clean, my brother.
It's 1 minute till this kind of closes. Why did I draw this line here? Why is that there? It shouldn't be there. Why does this look so choppy on my?
White. Wow. Wow.
Let me just clear this, because now like that's not gonna be a resistance anymore because we already tapped the resistance. Now we're just gonna continue to break that high. It's close doji, so nothing really happened here. I actually got a little what's my entry for this? I got on like a minute and a half before it actually closed. Got on it right here, anticipating that's gonna close bullish.
High chance.
Yeah, so this is my entry. I'm expecting the next candle to continue to go, cause like I'd rather get in now and then rather than later, right? And cause I was expecting this kind of move up as it got to like the end minutes of the candle. So I'd rather get in now than like not if I get in here, you're gonna have a bigger stop loss. You know what I mean? But let's see how it closes here. Should be good to go. Mid profit. Nice. Close bullish. Okay, it's probably gonna wick down. No, what's my entry? 137077.
Where is?
Right there. Okay, wick down. You got some pop entries right now. Let me give a signal for VIP. Right now. 130. 38.42. TP is going to be roughly around this area, like I said. I'm going to give it a long TP today. 139, 516. 516. Stop loss is going to be 137. 1. Get to 138.5. Alright, perfect. That though. Alright. If you guys have charges, feel free to send them. This is my last attempt at GG buys today. My last attempt. First attempt I secured 10 pips and I got stopped the entry. This is my second attempt here. Bye.
Last attempt.
Last attempt.
Last attempt.
Because now, like, the 30-minute close bullish, I'm anticipating that if you want to go up, maybe this is a low of the hourly time frame if you want to go up, you know? So, 15 close bullish. 30-minute close bullish. So we should respect this low if we want to go up. But if we do come down and break this low, we're probably going to tune back down to 137, 670. That's if you break this low, right? So if you guys are in buys, you can have sell stops as well here at 137, 946 to come down to 137, 650 if it price does break this. But now that like the 30-minute 15 close bullish, everything's just bullish right now, you know? So I'm expecting it to continue to go up. Now we're flipping bullish here. And we should be able to go up. Yeah, I didn't make a highlight video yesterday. It was a 54 pip runner move on the stream. You know what this month reminds? You know what this month?
Was it a buy or a sell?
It was a sell. It was a fake out that I mentioned.
Ah, that one?
Yeah.
I didn't expect that to happen. No cap.
Guys, I'm moving stop entry here. Damn. Perfecto. Second attempt, risk free. I'm gonna close 50% here. Leave a runner, you know. Fuck, why can't I close? Close half, close half, close half. Why is it acting? Oh. Alright, cool. Secured half here. GG broke the highs as well, you know. So whenever I said this before, whenever price breaks a certain high or taps a certain high, the previous kind of wick, this wick right here, this is just a resistance on a smaller time frame. If on a smaller time frame, you go on like the 5-minute or something, that's a resistance. So that's why I'm moving stops entry here. Also because it's also 10 pips in profit, and that's what I always do.
Where's your entry at?
138.077.
Jeez. Sniper ready.
Or no, I got in on the previous, not this candle, I got in on the previous candle. So this candle actually hit my entry and then continue to go up. Yeah. But yeah, it was no drawdown though.
Yeah, it's my last trade for the day, and I'm out.
Trade 2. Move GJ stop loss 2. I think I gave VIP a late entry, so I'm gonna move it to my entry anticipating. Okay, so 138, 142. If you guys got on 138, 142. Why is it not? Okay.
You mean 138, right?
138, 142. Stop loss 2, 138, 5. 138, 5. Actually. Just let it run. For VIP. I gave them a late entry, so it just wouldn't make any sense. So trade 2. Go back to this. 2 GPGPY. Buy. Plus 10 pips. Runner. All you gotta do. All you gotta do. Close 50%. Let the shit run. If it hits entry, hits entry. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You're risk free on it. You had no drawdown on a trade. You know. The funny thing is like people laugh when I say I have a 1-to-1 risk to reward all the time, majority of the times, right? But like how many times am I actually in drawdown? You know? How many times am I actually in drawdown? Is it actually a 1-on-1? Like count on the streams, how many times am I actually in drawdown and for how long?
Barely.
Yeah, like
It's like this, bro. It's just people like think of trading like this. People expect like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and shit like that, up like that, but they can barely catch 1-on-1. So how can you expect to catch like a 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 when you can barely catch 1-on-1? Because 1-on-1, you barely have no risk with it. That's 1. 2 is basically guaranteed that you're gonna.
No. I think 1-on-1. It's not that you have You don't have risk on that. I
It's
think
like less risk, basically.
no, no, because the one is still the same. No, the stop loss is still the same,
Oh,
but
I'm tripping, but
yeah, it's
like
the reward
you're
is
more
different.
guaranteed to hit the target on a one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
That's
what
smarter.
that's yeah.
Because what if like, let's say if you like 10 pips away from the TP on the 1 to 20 target, right? But then like news or something comes out, and then like it goes all the way back down, or or all the way in the other direction. What you trying to do? Like you can't do nothing because I know like most people just think of like, oh, this is a little retrace, but what if like the retrace doesn't stop? You know?
Yeah. So
So
like
a 1-to-1 is like more guaranteed, basically.
I have a 1-on-1. It usually went for beginners,
Yeah.
like new traders that are coming into trading forex. 1-on-1 it might be a little difficult for you to probably for your trades because it just requires a lot more experience, right? Like I used to have 1-3s too. I used to have that 1-5s, whatever. Obviously, it makes sense. You're risking less for more, but then again, like if you have more experience, like it's just personal preference. Like you don't have to have a 1-to-1, but I have a 1-on-1 because count the streams. How many times have I hit my take profit level at 10 pips or wherever my TP level is? Like this trade technically, my TP is only supposed to be here, but I'm anticipating it's gonna continue to go up because this is a runner now, right? I'm just gonna let it run, right? So, but yeah, like I just preferably like 1-on-1s. It's just depends on. Some people could say whatever they want to say, but
different strokes for different folks. I know. I'm not gonna be like call nobody out, but bruh, most people aren't patient enough for like those high ratios, bruh. Like for real.
it's like they'll have a high risk to reward,
But no
but
patience.
how many times have they actually hit that target?
Barely.
You know what I mean? And half the time, like you don't even have to leave the stop loss to your original stop. Like when they're in profit by 100 pips, their stop loss is still at the same stop loss area. Why? Just move it to entry. You know what I mean?
Entry or
Like
some in profit.
the way I trade is it's like a story. I'm on a smaller time frame. I'm entering the trade on a smaller time frame. But once it's in profit at a certain 10 pips, I'm moving stops to entry. I'm letting it run to wherever target. Then from there, I can actually turn my trade into a swing by going back on a higher time frame and moving my TP up to a certain area, right? Which is what I'm doing now. I'm moving my TP up to like maybe 138, 139, 519, well 516 right today. So
Yeah.
I turned this little scalp that was a 1-on-1 risk to where I was risking only 13 pips, no drawdown trade, and now I'm making it a swing trade for potentially a 100 pip move.
138, 550. That's my only target for the day. Once it hits that, no, I'm done for there. High chances he's gonna hit that for sure. 135. 138, 550. After that, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, so yes, what I mean though, like you can just easily turn your swings and scalps. Like you don't have to have.
Scalps in a swing.
Yeah, you don't have to have your, stop loss at entry for like when you're like 200 pips of profit. It just doesn't make any sense. You can literally just turn your little scalp into a swing and you risk less too. You don't have to risk that big ass amount at all.
Because the thing about swinging, people don't understand. When you swing, you're not supposed to pop the same positions you are with like scalping and shit. That's the concept people don't like remember or like think through. Because people think like they could pop like their normal lot, whatever, on a swing, but mentally, people not ready to take that drawdown for swinging.
Yep.
Because when you swing, you're supposed to lower the lot size. Let's say if like you're lower, I mean not lower, but your normal lots is like, I guess, 0.20s. Example. Put a 0.5 when you swing it, 0.05 when you swing it to be minimal risk. It's like when you swing, lower the lot. It's okay because you're gonna catch like a big movement, less risk. Don't try to be like the super swinger. Try to get like, oh, I'm gonna pop a normal lot, and I'm gonna just let it run. But just saying, bro. When you swing, lower the lot. Be safe, man. Like common sense. Don't try to be like.
I mean,
Don't try to
this is
possibly
personal preference as well. Like they can use whatever lot they want.
Yeah.
But yeah, like usually when you swing, you shouldn't be using.
Yeah.
I mean, it's different though. Like their normal lot could be a smaller lot anyways, because they're swinging.
Yeah.
This depends on the trader.
Yeah, man. It's just like just to like capital preservation, man. Just lower it a lot, man. If you're swinging, like, yeah.
USD's in profit here as well.
Or point smart bridge. Yeah.
Gonna move stops entry.
Points.
Yeah, moving stops
That
entry.
boy is fluid as hell right now.
Move US 30 stop loss to entry. So I gave a signal for US 30 around this area, like this. I didn't take a trade, right? So whenever I don't take a trade, you guys are not gonna see me have a risk to reward this. But this is the trade. Nope, I lied. No, this was the trade. That was not the trade. This was the trade. So now you're risk free in a trade, and I told everyone that once price gets to this area, I just took it to have nothing on my chart too. I just have a I'm looking at candles. I can just tell it's
Ball.
Alright, yeah. I think
Ball.
support here. You know, now we have some type of resistance here. So this is the trade. But yeah, like now you're risk free in trading. You have no reason of continuing to go to entry again. Look at that. Now you're risk free, no drawdown. Like what more could you ask for? You know, you don't have to have a big ass stop loss down here. It doesn't make any sense. If a candle's right here, you know.
Don't be crazy on Friday, man. It's getting wicked out here.
Yeah.
Shit, I get super with it as soon as that news drop. Special performance from 4 guys in casket later on. The 4 horsemen.
Oh, I didn't give GJ and VIP to free channel.
Ouch.
I didn't give GJ trade to the free channel. I told him to move stops to entry. I want to give you 30 of them. They're like, what? What?
Sup? Yes.
Alright, I'm moving
Bro, my key's coming next week is what, bro?
goddamn.
About time. Sheesh.
Oh man, there's a fat spider on my desk last night. Yeah, I'm waiting for GJ 1 hour to close bullish here. And you know, once hour closes bullish, if this would hit entry, you can give it a third entry if you want. If this candle closes bullish, you know. But like I'm just gonna stick with 2 entries today, and that's it. That one trade, stop free, and risk free, and that's it.
Alright. Bro, I'm just saying. This should be a good close, bro. Once the TV hit.
The 15 didn't close the way I wanted it to, though. Not gonna lie. It
Close told you, right?
yeah, it didn't close. But like the trade was based off of 30 minutes, so 30 minutes still actually going. So let's see how it closes. The 1 hour should close bullish. It's just the only thing I'm worried about now is like this 1 hour's gonna close bullish, and I might hit entry in the next candle pullback. Because if it does close bullish, I'll probably want to close a little higher, you know, so I'll have a little more breathing room for the pullback. Because my entry is right here, right? Technically, stop loss is still supposed to be here.
Oh, let me move it like this.
Because the next candle, as long as it respects this low down here, it should go up. So the only thing I'm worried about is if it hits entry like this, and then continues to go up, because it didn't actually break this low yet, and this candle should just continue to push up to this target. That's the only thing I'm worried about, right? But if this candle wherever this candle makes a wick and flips back bullish, that's my stop loss. I'm moving my stops to wherever that target is.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Because this trade is based off the hourly, you know, it's not based off a 30-minute technically.
Yeah. I usually just look at 30 and 1 hour now, bro. Like key time frames for me. But yeah, pretty strong support right here. High chance of it going up. Very, very high chance. As long as it does not break that previous candle low, we are good. We are in the money.
I think I have oof. Gold could make its way up if this hourly closes bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you, because if it closes bullish, it's coming back in the range.
Yeah, I'm telling you, when gold spreads go back
And when
to
it comes back in
normal,
the range, it's gonna go.
GJ pushing out, my brother.
Yeah, I see it.
17 pips in profits. Let's go.
Nice.
Let me,
GJ is tapping this resistance. I'm gonna close another 25% here. Actually, I'm just gonna let it run today. I had a nice run yesterday. I already closed half, yeah.
Stop at the under the 30. Under the 30. Under the 30 close. Just gonna let it run to TP. Hit entry, hit entry. What it is.
Damn. Man, these trades.
Don't miss. We ain't even missed this month yet.
Yeah, we haven't lost a trade on stream this month yet. Which is like, this is like another remake of April, I would say. This month reminds me of April.
This is the redone.
These big moves are like April again. I'm just telling, like, I don't know, man. It's like the coronavirus month of April. Like, these moves is hidden. Like every day is 100 pips, here and there, 50 pips. They're rare though.
It's been like 5 days in June, but we caught like damn near 300 pips on stream all together.
Yeah, we caught this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Mondays we had.
Monday, that bit was crazy, bro.
Monday was a 100 pip move. Tuesday was a 80 pip move. I think Wednesday was a 80 pip move again, and then yesterday was a 50 pip move, 40 pip move yesterday.
Oh my god.
And then today potentially we're having a 50 pip move here on GJ is my target.
Because bro, the range that's been playing is like, it's either 30 pip range or 50 pip range this week.
But like, thing is like, traders like this month, it's gonna be a lot easier. Obviously, June, like the way it's moving, like it's just a lot more easier to trade, obviously. But we still do the same thing every day, you know. We still try to catch 10 pips per trade. Like I don't try to force this trade. Like I closed at 10 pips. I did everything at 10 pips. So I'm still using my same I guess my same plan. I never changed my plan up, even if it's gonna be a potentially a good month. But some people, some traders, they could trade on months like this. They can trade in April when it was volatile. They can trade in June, but they can't trade on like months like May or like months like. Yeah, May. No, March. March was a volatile month, not April. They can't trade in months like April or May. Like last month, it wasn't as easy. Obviously, the range was a little smaller, and people are greedy.
Like the virus news calmed down. It really showed who really know what they're doing and who really was just eating up the volume.
Oh shit! Hold on, someone messaged. Hey controller, it's okay if I explain a bit more on XUSD. That's what I thought. So the previous candle closed bearish. Yeah, you can explain it. So am I still waiting on 1 hour? Send me a chart. I'm confused on what you're trying to say, but send me a chart and I'll look at it. Justin Foreman, USD, UJ, NFP jot thoughts. I don't really look at UJ. I don't trade UJ. I never liked it for some reason, but you can send me a chart. I'll look at it.
The villain pair for me, bro.
I can give you the technical standpoint of USDJPY, but I don't know if I'm gonna give you the fundamental because I don't know what numbers are gonna come out like. But I'm expecting probably bad news.
Bad business.
Expecting bad news. They're expecting bad news actually. So.
What? Yeah, US. Yeah.
They're
I think it's good news. I think because everyone got their job back. So I think it's gonna be good. Everyone got their job back.
But everyone got their job back this month, in June. Yeah, last month was still bad. Last month was still bad. I don't know. I don't know what numbers are gonna come out like. I could predict prices from a technical standpoint, but I can't predict. I can't tell you news numbers. That's
Yeah.
just out of my range. I'm not at that level yet.
Yeah.
UCG NFP thoughts. Yeah. So send me a trial. Look at it. You know.
Bloomberg terminal, bro. I'm finna save up on cop one. We can this plane. That shit too expensive. Bro, imagine knowing the news 1 minute before it comes out. That shit lit as fuck.
Yeah. Luba terminal. How much is that terminal? It's like
Bloomberg, it's like 10 mil.
yeah, it's fair.
Sheesh. But this, like, that's a good ass.
No, I swear it's like 30 racks. It's not that much.
No, it's a lot. Hold on, let me look it up. I
Hell
think
no,
that's a
nah.
different- No, that's a different terminal. My bad.
Hell no. 24 racks a year. Yeah, it's only 24 racks a year. It's only 24K a year.
Oh shit, my bad. That's a whole different terminal.
10 mil, that's crazy. Yeah. Are you even gonna make back 10 mil from that? That's the question.
But I mean, shit. If you know the news,
That takes a while. GG going down for NFP? I don't know. GG doesn't directly push with. Actually, it does. It doesn't directly move because obviously it's a pound and yen. It has nothing to do with the US dollar. But
the yen is like safe haven.
the yen is a safe haven. So think of it like gold. You know, if dollar is bad, everyone's gonna put their money in the yen, and the yen's gonna go up. I mean, if the dollar is good, everyone's gonna put their money in. Yeah, everyone's put their money in the yen, and the GPJPY is gonna go up because GPJPY is a second currency on that pair. So yeah, G will go up if news is good, and if the USD dollar is bad, it's G's gonna go down. And that's why people say. That's why people say, John, does USD move with GJ? Yeah, it does. Technically.
USD max.
Oh no.
I'm telling you, shit. It's a count recover. It's so laggy, bro. You know, like people freaking abusing the Poland currency right now. Everyone's destroying it, like, cause they've been bad for literally like 2-3 months, and people just been holding sell and shit. Like, damn, you can literally just click sell, make money for that shit.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah. USD Poland, some shit like that. It is what it is. I don't touch that. I only got 4 pairs. I'm looking at. Other than that, I don't care. It is what it is.
If you guys enjoy your stream, leave a like. You know, we do this every day, regardless if it's a range day or it's a good day. We still make something out of it all the time, and it's not even about the pips that we catch on the stream. It's
That's
mainly
knowledge, man.
about the knowledge that I give out. So like, or that we give out. So like, we gave a GJ signal. Okay, cool. It's whatever. 10 pips. Like, it's just another day in the markets. But did you guys understand how I explained this whole trade? Did you guys see my second entry attempts? Did you guys see how I matched trade? That's what you guys get out of the trade. Not just, I caught 10 pips. Yeah. You're not going to learn anything from that. Like, I can give you a signal, whatever. You can make money off of it. But, like, you're not going to learn shit if you just don't understand the signal itself. Yeah, I made 10 pips today. I made whatever pips. I made 17 pips. I'm in 20 pips in profit right now. Send a screenshot to your friend. But what are you going to get out of that?
What's that do for you, man?
You should be looking at my education. No, well, the free channel doesn't have education channel, but you should be looking at like my analysis that I give out, that I send all the time, or the way I explain things on the stream, like how this wick fill occurred, how this is gonna occur with this, the 4-hour time frame. Remember, I said this is the lower. We're gonna continue to go bullish here to fill this wick. Like, how do I get that? What is a wick fill? Those are, if you don't know what a wick fill is by the end of today, man, I don't know, man. Like, I explained it already, but if you've been in the streams for a good month or so, every day, showing up every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, you would know right now. You would know a lot. Like, you don't even have to get the course, man. Like, you don't have to get the course. Like, literally, what I teach in the course is what I teach on the streams. It's just the course, I teach it like
more thorough.
Way more thorough. But it's just, you could get
like a little snippet.
You could become a profit trader, and you don't have to pay for these other courses if you just watch the streams every day. I can promise you that. you will be a profit trader if you just put your time in, every day, and just understand and tune in, take notes, do whatever. You could show up every day at 6:30 a.m. and become a profit trader just by following the trades itself. You don't have to take notes, but if you really want to put yourself in that
higher position.
you should probably take notes and
take notes.
also invite your friends, man. It's free. Like I have no charge for the streams, man. Like I could charge everyone $1 per view per entry, but man, like it's a free stream, a free stream. I can't even.
How can you beat it, man? Free education. You learn how.
I can't even lie about the stuff as well because I do this. The replay is up, man. I can't change a replay on YouTube. It doesn't allow me to do that. I can't do that. But man, it's the most transparent I can be.
Cat. Look at GJ, bro.
And look at GJ's running like this, man. Like look at this.
Yo.
Man, like what more?
Take a nap, man. Fucking tired.
Leave a like on the stream, man. Come on. Worth the boy.
Oh, hold on.
You taking a nap?
Let me open up my.
You can't leave the stream today.
Let me open up my multiple YouTube pages real quick. Let me turn my LTE for you, bro. I got you.
But my question is, why isn't US30 moving? It hasn't moved since I called the entry. It moved like 1 pip and then it stopped.
Bruh,
yes.
Cause, bro, bank trying to get your money right now, bro.
And even a seasoned mom can learn. Yeah, even parents can learn,
Well, what does a seasoned mom mean?
I have no idea, but I just really like that.
Let me look it up on Google. Let me start asking questions. Let me look it up. Look it up on Google.
I don't know what that means.
Search Google for seasoned mom. Oh, wow. Okay. I got you. That's a seasoned mom. Okay.
Closing on that 25%.
GJ going down for NFP? I don't think so. UJ NFP thoughts. I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Let me look.
My piss and profit.
Let's see. What can been cut? How? Oh, yeah, we are. Yeah, we are still.
I'm closing another 25% here because
It's in a pretty another resistance.
It's at my resistance, correct? Actually, man, I believe it's running going, to be honest. I'm moving my stops. Actually no, I don't know what to do here, man. Should I move my stops up?
I'm moving my stop up.
I think once GJ breaks this high right here, because this is a new hourly candle high. Once GJ breaks this high, I'm moving my stops to this wick, lower wick right there, because I'm anticipating that this is a new hourly candle high, hourly candle low if it wants to go up. But once this candle, breaks this resistance like this, and make that wick, I'm gonna move my stops to that low. I'm anticipating that it's gonna continue to go up hourly. It has to break the high first.
At the previous candle. The previous candle low.
Yeah, that's my entry. Previous candle low. So I got a pretty good entry, but I didn't get on this candle though. I didn't wait for the pullback again. I got on the previous candle, that one.
I got in like the candle after. No, like it was like a little bit later.
I thought you got in earlier, no? Oh, your second entry.
I got
oh, you had a second entry, right? You had 2 entries on it. Oh, we're about to break the highs here.
Yeah, I was waiting on like slight retest and then enter again. And, I closed half of it, and I'm just gonna let the rest run right now.
I really need GG to break this high.
No cap. High chance he's gonna break that high, bro.
Yeah, high chance gonna break the high.
We're in New York. So.
I just wanted to break it and leave it risk free. Like you guys see how at first obviously the trade wasn't as clear yet. Like the ideal is there was clear, but now you can actually be risk free. Like you're risk free here, but you're still worrying about it hitting entry. But now you don't gotta worry about that once it breaks this high because new mover stops up to here now. Now you have this big ass profit right here, 20% profit secured just like that. And you don't have to worry, about it hitting entry again or doing whatever. Oh, about to break the highs. We broke the highs. I'm moving my stops up to 138. Well, I'm T5 today. I'm not sure about TradingView, but I'm going with MT5 here. Perfect.
On MT5. I'm probably gonna be switching over to it.
Yeah. Or MT4, MT5 it did. There it goes. There it goes. Move GJ stop loss to 138.273.
Because the way that Raj has been hyping it.
Profit at 137.273. Securing 20 plus pips, no matter what. Yes, see how I managed to trade? That's what you should get out of it. Why did Don move his stop up to that low? Why? Why did he do that? You know, what happened? The new 1 hour candle formed. And now it's flipping bullish. So instead of having your stop down here, you can move it up to here and anticipate on this is the new hourly high. Because the price comes back down here, it's probably gonna come back down to entry. Not gonna lie to you. So that's why you should move your stops up and just let it go run the risk rate, you know.
Yeah.
But man, we're gonna go up today.
Let me get my music ready.
NFP's about to come in 20 minutes here. Oh man, it's a good
7
day.
minutes. Bro, it's scary.
Hey bro, we're on stream, bro. Can you?
I'll stretch it, bro. Okay.
Damn. What up? Fucking trade. Yes, and even a season. This is a small pullback, like in the first entry. We had 30 viewers right now. You know, I'm not gonna lie. We lost a couple viewers back a couple months ago because I said that this is not this is not a signal stream, and now we're slowly making our way back up again. And now the real ones are actually tuning in. The real ones actually, you know, we're getting new viewers. So I appreciate everyone that shows up to the streams every day. You know.
Appreciate that, man.
I don't get paid. I don't get paid on YouTube or anything. I get paid for my trades, but I do this on YouTube. So one, I can stay disciplined on my trades. I won't take random trades. I won't do any random stuff. I'll just take those 2 trades per day or 3 trades per day sometimes, and I'll stick to my plan. But if I didn't stream, I think it'll be harder for me to stick to my plan. Like obviously right now, right now it's fine for me because I'm getting used to it. Like I'm starting to stick to my plan. But like before, like some days I'll break my rules, you know. So I had to start streaming or do something like for people to see, so they'll, you know.
We're trying to show as much transparency.
You guys are awesome. I'm subscribing right now. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. You know, we've only been streaming for like 2 months.
Yeah.
Like 2 months, maybe 3, 2.5, but
yeah, almost 3 soon.
But just share the stream to your friends, you know. Share it. It's free.
Bring transparency back to FOREX, man.
Cause like, man, like, yeah, I see how in like the last decade, 2010 to 2020, I didn't trade for that long, but let's say 2015 to 2020, how many people did it for free? You know, there weren't many until like maybe 2 years ago or last year. And like now, instead of people looking at the fancy cars, the fancy houses, the fancy vacations on Forex, they're gonna start looking at value now. They're starting to realize that that's all bullshit. All the people selling you dreams, you know, all the people telling you, you know, oh, I have a Lambo. Like, you know, half these traders just flex their Lambo, and people join their services because they see that they have what they want, which is a Lambo, right? But we as a team here, as a group, we just show like pure knowledge. If you go on my Instagram, you're gonna see pure knowledge. Control FX. Oh, that's not the YouTube. Go on the Instagram. Just pure knowledge. You know, like go on the website, pure knowledge. Like here on the YouTube, even in the YouTube, we have hours and hours of like over like 500 hours of content. Pure knowledge. You know, look at this analysis, pure knowledge. You know, I explain you what wick flows are and what this is, like pure knowledge. You know, all these videos that I make, I try my best to analyze, like to give you guys a mini breakdown within that minute. So I try my best to make it shorter for you guys if you guys didn't catch the stream, to catch every move that we caught. So I'll break down that entire move You know, so just take a look at the videos. Take a good look at the videos the next time. You know, like I tell you guys, like, oh, I'm moving stops here. I'm doing this here. Like I give everything in that video. In that 1 minute clip. But it's just pure knowledge, man. There's nothing I could.
Hey, man. No capping around.
Yeah, man.
Transparency.
Minute money moves. Yes, sir. Watching streams made me a way better trader. Just how people see you on the Lambo, they mostly see Stanley's money over the force. Yo, Robert, go on mute, bro. I didn't realize half these guys are in here. Locke, what up, bro? Robert, what up? Sean, what up, bro?
My boy Alex, bro, can you speak?
Nah,
I hear from you in a minute.
Good call.
Oh, you're in it, no?
Yeah, I was on Valorant.
I bet you're on the signal last night too.
Oh yeah, I was.
Locke, you've been taking all my signals. Tell me how many times we missed this week. No, once. We took one loss on US 30 this week on signals, but on the streams.
No, the US 30 you said yesterday was a dub.
No, we took a loss 2 days ago.
Oh, 2 days ago.
I think it was a close early.
I don't know. I forgot, but
he was like closed it a little bit early, right before he got stopped out. He was like, what did it say? I'm gonna close it right before.
It was so good.
exactly. They see the Lambo and they mostly see signals in the money over the FX knowledge. That's what they see. They see signals. Oh, this guy. You know, this guy gives signals. He's a private profitable trader, man. Like half of these, I'm not gonna say anything, but like a lot of these traders, these signal providers, they don't give you live trades. Like if you're asking them to give a live trade, they might struggle a little bit. You know, they might just be copying their signal providers' services. You don't know. You don't know who's behind. You don't know who's behind like their side. Like they don't give you a free analysis. They just give a signal and that's it. No, it is what it is. This the forex world is a little choppy. A lot of scammers.
Industry
a lot of
very sus.
a lot of scammers. A lot of yeah.
Bro, everywhere.
You really can't trust anyone like until you see someone that's proving you consistently. You can't really trust them like other than that. Like,
Yeah, I mean, just in general, the forex industry, like it's
pretty shady.
I'm not gonna lie. People did see me as like, oh, this guy's calling signals like and then now that I'm starting to stream, people are like realizing that this guy actually knows what he's doing, But before, like if I just give a signal, let it run for a day, people be like, and I would send my profits in, people be like, what the fuck? Like, is he really profitable or is he hiding like all his losses? You know what I mean? But all my losses, all the trades I take are on the stream at 6:30 a.m. Eastern until 9 a.m. Eastern, and that's it. I log off.
We don't cover losses over here. We show losses. We show wins.
And I don't show my profits on the Instagram.
Yeah.
I only show them in VIPs in the Telegram chats, but I don't show them on Instagram. I just provide knowledge on Instagram. That's it.
No, that's what I like about Don. Like you're not a flexer. You're humble.
Yeah.
Good guy. Bro, I'm still dead. My man's got exposed.
Yeah. I seen that. I was like, shit.
Bro, that's crazy. I don't even know him, but 40 bands? Are you dumb?
Wait, for what? 40 bands?
Oh, when you talking about that one guy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. He was flexing 40 bands.
US 30 hit entry. My bad. You talk. I just have to say that. US 30 hit. Why did they move your GJ though? That's weird. We will look for another entry later. Don't worry. GJ currently.
We got something cooking up. Don't worry. Don't even worry about it.
I don't know if I'm cooking up anything today, bro. I don't know about. I think I'm done cooking up stuff for today. Like this is about to hit TP here, original TP. I think I'm good for today.
The man like Don is in the lab.
I can't cook no more, bro. I ran out of ingredients today.
Cook that shit up quick. My man's tired of cooking, bro. His wrist hurt.
Are in the stream.
Oh, I
Tune
think-
in now. If you guys have charts on the YouTube side, just send them. Like I beg you, just send your charts. You know,
Steve,
Like-
we're begging you.
I think. Sorry, I'm not on Instagram anymore. Girl problems. But can you break down Wick fills real quick? Yeah, I could break that real quick. So I broke it down earlier, but if you guys don't know what they are, record this. Screen record right now. I'll give you 3 seconds to press it.
1, 2, 3.
So when you press it, there's usually like a 3 seconds difference. So okay, so the 4-hour the 4-hour candle is looking like this right now on GJ. This is how the 4-hour candle looks. So as probably like, okay, so hold on, let me draw it again. This is how the 4-hour looks. So yeah, see how this kind of has a low and this kind of has a high. Okay, so this equals this. That will equal. So how many 4-hour candles are in 1-hour candle? I mean, how many 1-hour candles are in 4-hour candle? There's 4, right? So since there's 4, this is how this is what made this 4-hour candle. You had a bullish candle like this, bullish, making that low, 2, 3, and now you have a bearish candle to end it off to make that wick. So that wick obviously goes down to here. So you guys see how it lines up now? This turns into this because now if I were to draw across like this wick right here ends right here. Oh, right there. And this low, this high is up here, and this low is right here. So you guys see how that lines up? Okay, so nothing of it like this. So what is this candle touching right now? Some type of support on the 1-hour, right? This is support here, which lines up with this. So since there's a support here, and the high time frame closed bullish, because this is how it kind of closes. If this 4-hour closes bullish like this kind of closes bearish, but on a higher time frame, it's gonna respect the higher time frame at all times. Price always respects the higher time frame over smart time. The smart time frame can close bearish, but the higher time frame can close bullish. So what's gonna happen with the next 4-hour candle, or the next 1-hour candle here, is it's gonna probably push up like this, bounce off the support and retest the high. And whenever price retests the high, it's usually gonna continue to go up, right? Because price can just continue to go up. This red candle that it formed here was a pullback for the continuation of the move. Because price has to make some range first, right? So technically, look, price going up, and then boom, resistance, make support, and now you have a range. And all you gotta do is wait for a break of that range to enter again, or you can follow the 4-hour candle and enter a buy here, and you can put your stop like TP right and enter it right here, like this, and put your stops below here, right? Because yeah, put your stops below there and continue to move up bullish. Because when price retests the high again, it's gonna continue to go up. So now you can probably see this candle pop up like this. And that's how you correlate all time frames. You know what I mean? Like people always ask me the question, Don, what time frame do you look at? I look at every single time frame because every single time frame lines up together. This lines up with this, and now I'm expecting GJ to look like, you know, look like this. Boom, pop up like this and fill that wick. So now if I go back to GJ, what is it doing? It's filling that wick. So now that you can start to see it, because whenever price fills a wick again, it's actually retesting a high. Yo, whose mic is that? Because whenever price is retesting a high again, it's actually just retesting a resistance again. So on a higher time frame, this wick is just a wick. It's not, there's no other candles here. This is a wick. So wicks are very weak. So now you can start to see how GJ is gonna probably break this high and continue to go up to this next target here. Like I don't expect price to struggle at 138.757 because this is just a wick. It's not a body. But if there were to be body candle here like this, if this candle were to look like this, then I'll be worried about this resistance because now there's a resistance here. But since this is a wick, price can easily break that wick. And now this is where no wick candles come in. Man, I'm giving too many gems right now, but now this is where no wick candles come in, because if price were to have no wick like this, you see how there's no range now to go up? If price had a range, it would have something like this. I have a wick fill come up. But since there's no range, it's just like closed bullish like this with no top wick. That would mean that price is closed at resistance, and there's no range for a next candle to go up. So whenever that happens, it's a 50-50 chance of this candle continuing to go up, even if it closes bullish. So I don't really enter on trades like that, but yeah. That's how wick fill correlates with smart time frames, correlates with no wick candles. And that should answer a lot of questions right there. You know, no wick candles. Yo, you know what I should do every Friday? I should do one free lesson every Friday. I should do one free lesson. So today's lesson, we learned about no wicks, wick fills. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Friday lessons.
Friday lessons.
Oh. No wick fill
Fundamental Fridays.
and no wick candles. Boom. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave no wick candles for next week. I'm gonna give a full explanation of it next week, but let me know in the chat what you guys want next week for Friday lessons. But yeah, I'm gonna do Friday lessons. Oh man. On one free lesson, yeah, I'll do one free lesson. Why not? I'll give it away for free.
Fundamental Fridays.
Oh.
Fridays.
Swear to God, that's gonna be this session called Fundamental Fridays. Come take your notes.
Every Friday, yeah, every Friday.
You eat, we eat. Yo.
Oh man. So any charts? If you guys want to send charts, just don't send the full link. Just read the description on how to send one. I explained it there. But GG is going up here, guys. So congratulations if you got this.
We are currently in NY session. It's about to get real hectic in 11
Oh
minutes.
yeah, NFPs in 15.
Yep.
Not 11.
11?
Yeah, 8:30. You remember?
Oh, yeah. As in like my time, Eastern time.
Oh,
in 15
bro,
minutes.
we're in the same time, bro. What you eat?
Atlanta's Eastern?
Yes, bro.
You know that.
Still 11 minutes either way.
Yeah.
Come on, Locke. You're in Biochem. Come on.
Yo, that's what I said.
Oh.
Biochem major for what?
Yo,
Like,
that's what I
what?
said. It's in 11 minutes.
Now I'm finna jump like what?
Hey, drop them gems for the streamers. Oh, Friday lessons. Love it. Yeah. Let me know what you guys want next Friday.
Drop some ideas in chat.
Let me know what you guys want next Friday. Can you explain how to NFP?
Yo.
Just get ready. What's about to happen?
Alright, so
we can't explain it.
So there's there's different types of traders for NFP. There's the ones that buy stops and sell stops. They pick it's buy stops and sell stops. That's what they have on their screen. And then there's the ones that just straight up pick a side. So when you pick a side, this is what you're gonna see on your screen. I'm gonna put up my screen right now. Go on the YouTubers will see this. Jimmy knows what I'm gonna put on my screen. So if you pick a side, you're gonna see this coffin. If it doesn't go right, you're gonna see that coffin. But then there's the traders that, like me, that gets the news and then takes gets those catch a little bits and pieces after the news. So let's say news comes up positive, I'll look for buys within US30 and gold during that day. You know what I mean? Or yeah, that's what I do. Catch little bits and pieces.
It's just like this. If you're like new to trading or whatever, don't trade news.
Oh.
Trade after news.
Oh, if I had a video, I'll pull it up. But man, guys, just guess what day I started trading on. I started trading March. What was it? Locke knows the day. I opened my Hugo's Way account last year, March 8th, Friday. March 8th. Look on the calendar. March 8th. What day is that? NFP day. That's the day I opened my live account. I heard about Forex on March 6th. I remember the day because I was in college. I was in college and I heard about it. And then 2 days later, I opened my live account. I blew my account on NFP day, the first day, the first account. It was a $150 account. I blew it within one. I popped a 1.0 at 8 a.m. And the worst thing is, the broker froze. Hugo's froze. That was. I remember that day. Hugo's Way froze on NFP when the news came out.
Man.
So I popped a 1.0 thinking that $1 was a pip. I mean, a dollar was a 1.0, and that was the day where I learned about lot sizes and everything. And that was the day I had to reevaluate my trading.
Bro, look, because like when I first started trading, bro, they didn't even tell me. Cause I used to be like, I'm gonna be transparent with everyone here. I used to be in IML when I first started, cause that's how I thought Forex really worked. Like, you got to join through IML,
A lot of
and
people
then you
do.
start trading. This because I didn't know shit about Forex. So my friend was putting me on. I mean, like, you know. But yeah. So look, my first trade, I remember that shit like the fucking back of my hand, bro. It was a fucking AUD JPY buy. I thought 1.0 meant $1, right? And news came out literally the next minute. My shit was
Mink, 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 mink.
$200 of profit, right? I'm like, oh shit, we lit. Look, I go to the restroom. 1 minute later,
The
that bitch
reverse
said,
guy.
stop loss. It went past it because Hugo's trash ass servers. Bruh, I lost like 400. I'm like, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah, like, bro, like my first experience trading news. Like, I have another video of me trading the AUD news.
Oh, bro, should I send it to you, bro?
Oh, I think I have that.
I'm gonna send it to live stream, bro. I got it, bro.
Bruh,
Hey,
that's-
chill. I'll send it. Where's the send the video? Wait, hold on. What's your average lot size? Okay, so I'll give you my little history of lot size. So, you know, when I first started trading, obviously 0.01s. Actually, no. I had a over leveraging problem, and I never popped the 0.01. I went to a 0.10s right away. So I didn't pop the 0.01s, and then as I started going, like maybe like I think like August or something, I popped like threes, fours, and then in this year January I started popping fives, and then I went back for March. I mean for February and March I went back to 3.0s. I was hovering around 3.0s, 4.0s because I didn't really do well with the fives right away. And then as for right now, actually no, starting May, because March I had my best month. That was my best month ever. I had I made the most amount of profits I ever had in my life in March. So then April I decided to step down my lot sizes. I went back to 2.0s and 3.0s because it's like a mentality thing. I didn't really want to be greedy. I just wanted to like I didn't want to lose all that I made in March, obviously. So then in May and June I started to I went back up to 5.0s, and then all of a sudden in June I started popping 8.0s. Now I'm at an 8.0. I'm probably not gonna get to a 10 very soon. Probably gonna chill around 5 to 8. Like I pop 5s and 8s right now. It's just a round number, but yeah, like those are my lot sizes.
I'm real. Too good to be true, bro.
Weapon?
Someone asks FTMO accounts. I'm like,
FTMO accounts? No, I don't use FTMO.
Nope.
I have nothing to say. Don't ask me about it. I have nothing to say on it as well.
I got something to say on that. Yeah, very sketchy to me. Very sketchy. Like, I don't know. But yeah, if you want to try it, you can do it. But just be very cautious. Kind of sketchy.
We have so many comments today. Alright, damn, we going on today. You get into that money, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
But it took me like a year and a half, man. Like some people, like I know traders that took them, like I'm not gonna lie, I know traders that took them 6 to 8 months to make like big figures. Like I'm not even gonna lie, like I know this one trader, but like and then some traders they take 4 to 5 years to be profitable. It just depends on your learning curve. It's not. Don't think of it about, well, how long Don if I start trading today, how long does it take me to become profitable? Like, if you ask that question, you shouldn't be trading straight up. Because now you're just looking at trading for the money, and you shouldn't be looking at it for that. You should be looking at trading for the lifestyle, and
whatever you want. Don't try to be someone else. Be you.
Like here's the tip. Here's a tip for new traders. Treat it as a hobby, and then as you start seeing money and progression, and you start seeing you actually making more than your actual day job, then you can start looking at, okay, maybe I could take this a little more seriously, but just treat it as a hobby. But what I mean by a hobby, I don't mean just fuck it, do whatever. But I mean as a hobby, I mean like, we hit 50 views. as a hobby,
You know,
I
when
mean-
you do a hobby, like
like take it seriously, but you don't have to force things to happen. You don't have to force anything. Just, you know. But
take it
yeah,
slow,
like
man.
take it slow. Like you don't have to like don't think of it. Okay, if you load your first $100 account, don't think that you're gonna make you're gonna flip to you're gonna flip it to 1,000 within that 1 week. You should be thinking long terms. What are your long term goals? What's your goal for next year? What are you trying to do with FX?
Next 5 years.
Are you trying to pop a certain lot size by next year? But then if you are trying to pop a certain lot size by next year, how are you gonna manage yourself to pop those lot sizes? How are you gonna go from a 0.10 0.01 to a 0.10 to
one lot.
1 lot, 5 lot, and 10? Like think about it like that, like what's your long term goal? I've been training
like
been
marathon, man.
been training for over a year. I done got scammed and everything. Yeah, man. Well, that's why you have the control course now. You're in the Discord server, so. All right, news about pop here in 2 minutes.
Shit.
2 minutes here.
Everyone get
2
it.
minutes here.
Everyone serious mode. No fucking jokes. It's about to get goddamn.
Can we get 60 viewers today? Though? Can we get 60 viewers?
Shot to 60.
Can we get 60 viewers here?
Yeah, man. No problem. Let's get it.
Just know for all the viewers, this week we haven't lost one trade on stream. Not one trade. You can replay every stream.
It's finna get this series. I'm finna go on a 1 minute time frame. It's about to get super reckless, bro. On the 1 minute time frame right now.
Oh, we're starting to get these spam messages. That's not we're popping now.
Oh, no. Serious?
Average stop loss. My average stop loss is usually like 10 pips. Obviously, that's the average.
Nice. But yeah.
But it just depends on the move. But average is 10 pips. All right, so let's see. 40 seconds here. What do you got?
1 minute.
What are your predictions? What are your predictions, guys? Leave your predictions in the YouTube chat. Leave your predictions right now.
Hold on, man. I'm trying to. But I'm looking at
Leave it for US 30. Leave your prediction for US 30.
I'm gonna just say I'm not gonna type it. All right, this shit's gonna buy, bro.
All right, that's your prediction. All right, that's your prediction.
What's your thing?
What do you guys think?
Rob said sell.
You said sell.
What about you?
USD sell, USD sell, USD cat sell.
So you think that was all right?
Yeah, USD cat can sell too.
What you think, Don?
I think I don't think it's gonna I don't know, bro. I don't know what's gonna do here.
Just think of like the previous like NFPs. It's
Oh.
everyone thought it was selling, but that shit bought. Like, come on, dog. TP smash on DJ. Good shit.
Oh, TP smash on GJ. Wow, runner's still going though. My runner's still going.
Yeah.
Damn.
That target, I'm finna go play my PS4. Let's go.
Let's fucking go, bro.
News came out good.
Told you,
Damn.
bruh. I told y'all, like, it literally been doing this shit for.
Hey, hold on. Daily broke the lows here. I said earlier we're coming down here. 1685 for GJ. For gold, 1685.
Gold just dropped 70 pips.
1685.
Hey,
Yeah, so how do you get added to the Discord? You gotta buy the course on TradeFX.com.
how do you get add to Zoom Secret Society? I'm sorry.
The Zoom's from Discord. You gotta be in Discord to be in the Zoom calls.
Secret Society.
But guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss up to this target right here on GJ.
Damn, bruh.
So-
You think right the same. I move us.
This had no ball on Wick, so I gotta do that. Yeah. Move. Damn. Move GJ stop loss. Can we get 60 viewers though? Stop loss to 138. 445. Securing. Securing 37 pips. No matter. What? I love these NFP streams, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in your pay group, but I don't have Discord.
I'm not gonna lie. That shit was, it barely made no movement last time because I think it was like a bank holiday or some shit that happened like early that week. I think it was just
US 30's going up.
told you,
Oh,
bro.
brother.
I'm telling you, bro, it's just been like people think like the government like not finna like freaking put out good news on NFP. You know, like the economy is doing shit.
It was
They
30
bailed
pips.
themselves
Would have
out.
hit Don TP too.
Yeah, but the target here is 26951. You guys gonna see on this candle. I can't lie about this stuff. I put this target up today, like a couple hours ago. I can't lie about it.
In the goddamn round. Crazy, man.
Wait, did we hit 60 viewers? I think we hit 60. Let's hit 60 viewers today. You know, for early birthday.
Right, why not 70, bro?
Let's hit 70. I don't think so. The streams will end in like an hour. I'm gonna leave the stream till 9:30 today. We can just chill today. It's gonna be a chill day. I have time today. I have time. Yes, and send your charts. I got time today.
We got time today. We got time today.
Yeah, I got time. We can look for more trades.
Yeah, USC Max. So to the ground. I'm playing. Don't take that straight.
Hey, Don, so is gold the opposite? Is gold and US 30 opposite?
Yeah, they correlate. Not correlate, but they what is it again? They opposite correlation. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you know US there's a safe not gold's a safe haven. Think of it as the yen too. So like yeah, gold will go the opposite of US 30. Okay, so I think I hit my entry here, TP, and my entry got tapped here on US 30 on GJ. So my day is done here. You guys could leave a runner up to here, but I mean, like I moved my stop loss here for a reason, right? Because now we broke that low, we're probably gonna come down to this, and it's probably gonna come down to this. So it's like it's a Friday too, so I want to take it easy. I'm done for today. That trade is done. But damn, feels good. Plus 37 pips. Nice. Think you're still gonna shoot down, then back to TP? No, I don't. I actually could have given entries on hourly time frame, but yeah, like this, I would have given entry here because this candle closed bullish at support, and then this candle respected that low. Stop loss would have been down here. So as long as price respect that low, we should have gone up, and this would have been a clean move up. Like, there's no doubt in my mind that we're not gonna reach 26951 today. You know what I mean? Like that's gonna hit today. That's like the next deal.
GJ target highly likely hitting also, bro.
GJ is probably gonna hit. It's just that I got stopped at entry, and I don't wanna be in this trader. Well, not entry. I got hit in profit. Yeah, but this runner has the potential of going 145, 142.
Oh yeah. Hold up.
It made a lower wick, and now it's gonna go up. Think US gonna shoot down. US buy. I'll go. I'm in your paid group, but I don't have the Discord. Yeah, if you don't have the Discord, you're not in the course. You know, the course is controlfx.com. You guys go on this website, and you guys are gonna see.
The fantasy.
Press start. This is the last FOREX course you'll ever take in your life. I swear to God, it's the last course you'll ever take in your life. I took a lot of courses in my life too, but y'all go live every day. Yeah, we go live every single day, from 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Oh my days.
This is what the course comes with, by the way.
Days.
It comes with trade management, how to manage the trades, how to manage your money with the trades, what to do with like how to pay your bills, all that stuff, how price action, understanding drawdowns, understanding all of this stuff, how to break a trend down from daily to a high time frame, and all that stuff, knowing when to trade, candlesticks, chart traffic, and learn how to trade using your own judgment. If you guys went to the stream 2 days ago, I gave a little breakdown of it. You gotta find it somewhere, but man, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to move entries up on GJ here, and I'm still running it.
Yeah.
Like I'm running my 4.0 is running 2K in profit right now. I closed my runner, and I closed that at
trying to get his
I closed my runner at $400, and then I have a runner right now that's $2,000 in profit.
Oh,
So
you're talking about the one entry that was like.
yeah, cause I closed. I had an 8.0. I closed at 10 pips, closed 50%. So obviously that's 4 bills. So then now I have a runner, and it made like 4 times the amount of that runner.
Fucking go, man. I have a
Bro.
buy, 138 410.
Damn.
I'm scalping NFP.
138, 107.
I got Don's entry, then like I got another entry after NFP.
I closed.
I paid for lifetime. Yeah, you pay for lifetime membership and the VIP. It comes with like not my full. Like it's not the course. You know, it's just VIP comes
This
with
is a whole different.
it comes with signals,
Mm-hmm.
It comes with
Everything you need to be
education,
successful.
and it comes with a group chat. But it doesn't come with a course. The course is like a whole different mentorship group. It's like a whole different mentorship group. That's like a level. That's like a next level group, you know.
That's like,
But you know, some people might not be ready for the course. You know, they might not be ready. When you're ready, you'll show up. I can't tell you when you're ready, but it's a lot to take in. It's a lot to take in the course. Ask Robert here. Yo, Robert, have you finished the course yet?
Oh yeah, I've been finished. I finished it
How about
like when you started your stream in April. That's
how
when
about
I
the new videos?
I went through the new videos and with the compound and the trade management stuff. Oh yeah, it was good. Like literally, like you said, the course. Like if you get the course, you basically like if you don't ever want to work in life again, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
he fucking smashed. FX choice, do not do this to me, you little piece of
Oh.
shit. You little piece of shit. You better go. You better just break that goddamn bar right the fuck now. Yo, I'm pointing my gun on my screen, bro. If this shit don't hit TP, I'm shooting my screen.
Check.
That's why he's pointing his gun at the screen.
Oh, hey, bro, this is a fucking stick up. I want my goddamn pips now.
Man, we're running here. Okay, got you. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, the course gets updated every single month. You pay a one-time fee, and you get an update every single month, one time. Just off of one. People charge for updates. I know Astro FX here. They charge a whole different price for update. They charge you 400, and then they charge you another 400 once you update that course. Like, it's the same shit. But like, man, like. Oh man, but I'm not gonna get into that. But stop loss in US 30. Stop loss, I never caught a signal, but like I missed it. But like the 1 hour, oh brother, this would have been a good signal right here. Entry right here, stop loss right here, and TP up here. It's gonna hit target, man. 3,000 points.
So
3,000
close,
points,
man.
300 pips.
Today's a good day.
Yo, look at the live stream chat, man.
XAUUSD, please.
Wait, Jimmy, what happened to the video from Don?
Oh no. Don said it.
Oh, Don said that?
Yeah, Don said.
No, cause I'm gonna post that stuff. Like I'm gonna do like a 1 year recap. I'm doing a giveaway soon, right? So I'm gonna do a 1 year recap of my trading. I give you guys like a little breakdown, like my history.
Yo, can we see that?
Hey, targets gonna get tapped here. If you guys got on US30 here, leave a like on the stream. Yes,
Jeez,
sir. Yes, sir.
Wick fail.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bruh, this is a fucking stick up. This either you finna tap it or I'm finna shoot you.
Oh my god, bless.
Wow, what an amazing stream. I appreciate it. Look, it tapped it. It tapped the target. Man.
3,000.
Man, this target. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. But hey, no more FOMO.
Bro, it's a pipette away from TP.
There it goes.
Now.
Tap it. Tap it. Tap it.
Tap it.
Boom. There it is. Target got tapped today. Target got tapped today. And if you ask me about GJ, I said I'm not gonna be crazy today. I'm putting my TP, my target at 139.516. But looking at the daily time frame, it has a high chance of reaching 141, 178. That sounds a lot crazy, but look at the daily time frame. You know, that's the next target. Maybe next week, if it's not today. Maybe next week, but next week should be able to hit 141, 178, and you can clip that. 841, 841. I'm gonna clip that for later. But yeah, guys.
Gold dropping. Drop.
Man,
Fucking pip up.
Man,
Pip up. Give me my
today's a good day.
today's a very good day, man.
But Don, you
Holy,
gonna do a stream in Asian session too?
Oh, about for Asian session. So
Friday,
so
sir.
soon, probably like next couple of months, maybe next couple of weeks, who knows? I'm gonna start doing Asian session and actually yeah, just Asian. I'm not gonna stream it. Actually, I may stream it. I don't know. I might come in there now and then, but there's gonna be someone else streaming it. His name's Samuel Huntley. He's probably gonna stream. He's not here right now. I don't know why he's not here, but
That's her sleeping.
Francis.
He's gonna do the Asian session, and I'm gonna do the New York, and someone sooner or later, someone's gonna do the London session.
I don't know. I don't know, man. 2 people might be.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the London session soon. So you guys gonna have streams from across the board. If you guys can't make New York, you got Asian. You can't make Asian, you got London.
What time would you do it?
I'll stay up.
You know how you do New York from like
So
6 to 8?
Asian is gonna be from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. or 6:30 to 9 p.m. and then New York is the same thing, 6:30 to 9, and then London's gonna be from probably 2 p.m. Eastern to about about
AM, right?
AM.
AM, my brother.
2 a.m. Eastern, my bad, 2 a.m. Eastern until maybe 6
Alright.
6 a.m. Eastern or
Alright.
5 a.m. Eastern.
Me and Taj, London. You, NY. Sam. Bruh, cause look, I always wake up in freaking London, so why
I
not?
look at all the sessions.
Yeah.
Nah, this is cause I usually wake up, like, my daily routine, I usually wake up at like 4:30.
Me too.
Yeah. So. Bruh, people keep asking, why do I keep waking up so early? Like, I don't know, why you wake up so late? like literally, bro. Like people be like 4:30. Why? I'm like, I don't know. I don't like sleeping for too long. Like I like sleep. I just don't like sleep for too long.
I could be up and do a whole bunch of stuff.
I could dead ass run on 3 hours of sleep perfectly, bro.
Yeah, same.
Same.
People could barely run off freaking 5 hours, 6 hours.
Bro,
Like,
I ran for like a whole week. This 1 week, in December, I ran like 3 hours of sleep for like the whole week.
Damn,
Yeah, bro, so fun. Just constantly studying.
that's what's up, though, bro.
Yeah, that's
It's
what's
only
up.
worth it, my brother. My slime. Alright, this next 15 candle gonna be reckless.
Oh, for GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, GJ's gonna be reckless. If you guys think,
it's-
hey guys,
leave the
guys.
top wick. Look. 50%. Look, this is what's gonna happen. It's either gonna leave this top wick, and then the next candle finna like wick down just a little bit, and then fill it, or it's
Now you
gonna
think
just
gold
like
will come back up?
Hey,
go.
hey, I called US 30 buys, target tap, 3,000 points. Gold sells, target tapped, 100 pips.
GJ buys.
I mean 110 pips. I said early in the stream, I said you have a sell stop right here on gold to come down to this support right here. And I also said it at when NFP came out. I said 1685. And you know, we're here right now. So now the only thing we have left is GJ that has to tap the target today. That's all we got left. You know, brother. Oh man.
Brother, my slime. Like what?
Like I can't make this up. I honestly can't make
It's
this up.
recorded. We can't make it up, bro. Literally, it's recorded. Like, no cap. You can't edit live streams, you know?
Gold sells 100 plus pips. That drawdown, that sell stop had no drawdown too. Is there any way to listen to lose live? There's no news live for NFP. It's just numbers that come out. But when Donald Trump speaks or something, like for example, like when you have like rate cuts, you can listen to Fed Pair Chow. I mean, Fed how he has a conference usually. But yeah, these are just numbers that are coming out. There's no like press conference or anything for the non-farm payrolls. Yeah, Jerome.
Bruh, he's the market maker, bro.
He's the market maker. Yeah, he's the market
The
maker.
market maker.
You thought Forrest Rob was the
says
market
so.
maker? This guy's a real market maker.
He will either blow your account or make you rich as hell. Do never go against Jerome, man. Okay. I learned my lesson with Jerome, bro. Jerome. That's the name, Jerome.
I know Powell.
Powell.
Yeah, Powell. Whoa.
Powell.
Bruh.
Bruh, it says one other Fed. She be speaking, and I don't know how it should be. Like, I swear. Look. One day we was like, "Who is this, bruh?" I swear to God, I was on my phone. Everyone was like, "Yo, check over." I'm like, why? There's no news out there. This is like a random Fed speaking. She spoke or he? I forgot. Bruh, gold made hella moves, like 50 pip moves, 40 pip moves. I'm like, hella quick. I'm like, what the hell just happened? This is goddamn Asian session, bro. The hell? What is this sheet? What is this sheet? This is unusual.
Damn.
This year been crazy, bro.
June might be my next best month. I'm on pace for a very good month
I
this
think
month.
this is gonna be my best month. Not
Like
even-
April was a good month. I mean March was a good month for me, but this might top it. June might be able to top that month.
June's gonna be that month.
And the best part is
So
we're doing everything live. That's the best feeling ever.
Mhm.
pants,
The
pairs,
feeling that you're doing it live every single day,
helping people.
every
Like-
day, like there's no reason that you should have lost money today at all on the streams. At all. Went to her live stream and the guy had a radio, it was live news.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I don't know, man. I only watched 2 streams. That's it.
One.
Oh no. I've watched it. League of Legends streams, man.
Oh, alright.
I bet I'll know,
Alright.
Right.
I thought you were gonna
Those-
say someone else.
No. Your streams, League of Legends streams. That's it.
You're in the stream, so I can't even watch it.
Mhm.
I watch myself, man. Why not?
Trades called today. Oh man. Gold 100
Go.
pips. US 30 300,000
Whoopty.
points. 300 pips. And then you had GJ. That's currently 37. Oh, how many pips are in profit? Oh man.
Too much.
60 pips in profit. 60 pips in profit. So 60 plus pips. Runner going to 139.516. I can't make this up.
I cannot.
Hold on, let me just type this out first. Then I got you guys. Orange. This is red. Oh, brother.
So what's up?
What a good day.
What a good thing. So where this like one of those NFP weeks that damn. So pretty good. Good.
Oof.
Hey, bro. Why ever since I started posting trading shit, all these fake forex busted shit's been tracking me
And
down.
that's just
Really?
so irritating.
That
Why
shit's
you?
Annoying. No, like, bro, you seen what I put on the live stream? He was like, this dude was like, you're not a real forex shit. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yo, I do this shit with my friends. 6:30. No, I didn't even block. I said, gotcha. I just said straight up
He
gotcha.
said gotcha.
That's all I can say. Like, it's like, bruh, your profile picture is a fucking anime picture. 2, you following goddamn people that do like money giveaways. Like, come on, dog.
Hmm?
Bruh, if you gonna like try to talk smack, use your face. Like your actual face, not a goddamn fake ass Tokyo Ghoul profile picture, you goddamn nerd.
Bro, I fuck with Tokyo.
Pocket watching that. No. Tokyo Ghoul 5. I'm talking about
Yeah.
nerd as in like War Warrior nerd.
Oh, never that.
Yeah, nah. Tokyo Ghoul is hard. I don't care what no one say. That shit hard. Mink, mink. That's all. Every time you watch Tokyo Ghoul, bro, every episode just gets like more and more crazy, bro.
Runner going to 39. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just had to post something on Instagram.
Yeah.
But
yeah, bro. Do not be a keyboard warrior 2020, bro. Show your face. Bro.
Keyboard warrior, I know.
Show your face. Come on, dog.
Yo, my runner.
Hop on video chat on Instagram. I ain't got a problem with it. Just don't be no keyboard warrior, man. You too grown
Come
for
on,
that.
cuz.
Come on, cuz. You don't be a man or woman. Be a man or woman about it, man.
I'm gonna close now. I'm
Let let me see your freaking Mystics book, you know?
Okay,
I'm closing another runner here, guys. On GJ,
come in.
Whole thing or?
half, another 50%.
Why are you closing it? Listen.
I secured $1,000, 1.5 on it. I secured 6.0, 6 slots on it, and I have a 2.0 running, $1,000 in profit. It's not a run.
Profits.
Pure profits.
Bro, I love trading after NFP. Like, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Yep. So now the numbers. I didn't check the numbers. I gotta check the numbers. Numbers came out good. Oh, the last one came out good. So
I told you, bro.
so now
Bruh,
like
the feds be fucking with people, bro. God, I'm telling you, this shit been happening 3 months in a row. Do not go against, like, don't think that something's gonna happen. Just wait till it actually happens.
and also guys,
What's up?
if you guys look at US30, what did it tap and what did it reject off of? If you try to hold a passive target, you would have been in like you regret not taking profit up there.
We just gave y'all free $300, man.
Yep.
Free
Don't
bones.
We gave y'all 3 free bones, man. Go get you a Stone
Chicken
Island
money.
shirt, man.
Go get your Stone Island shirt.
Go get your Stone Island shirt. Go get you.
When I was on that Stone Island wave, Don was already over it.
Dang. I said, Don was like, I'm finna put y'all on some new drip real quick.
Alright, put me on some new drip, cause Don be telling me my drip be too generic.
Like that, Palm Angels.
Oh, I mean I have that.
Oh, I had that in like 2017, I think.
Oh my god, this
Yeah, Don, everything I wear now, you had like 2 or 3 years ago.
There you go, like.
Bruh. This man had like an off-white belt like grade 9.
Show other folks how to drip.
Bro, I didn't even know what
Yeah, I sent my shit in the this.
Nice. Squeaky clean, boy. I see you.
2 trades per day.
2 trades per day. Keeps the bills away.
Amen.
Right, I remember look, when I first started trading. Oh yeah, I'm done for please. All right, when I first started trading, I thought scalping was like going to 1 minute every candle you close, bruh. Yo, I thought that's how scalping works. Yo, that shit made me so dead. Cause one day I was going so hard, right, bruh. Oh my god, I was going so hard one day, and next day I'm like,
So Jimmy was in the
that
paint.
same shit again, bruh. My shit got demolished.
Jimmy was in the paint.
Bruh, this was when I first started trading, bruh.
Signal was given. Alright, proper. Guys, oh my goodness. What can I do now?
Go to sleep, bro.
Is there resistance here at all in the 4 hour? I didn't like this. I know we're filling
No, I
a
don't
wick.
think so.
This is a clean move up now. At least
Yeah.
to like 138, 800 minimum.
Especially next week.
Guys, I drew the wick fill. I explained the wick fill, and I gave entries on this GJ buy. I gave everything out here, And
You cannot make this up. You cannot make
Honestly,
this up.
like once people learn like how to look at candles, that's really when you get like become a better trader.
Yep.
That's what I think. As far as just my own experience.
It takes a lot. Cause yo, Robert, how long you been trading for?
I started like I learned about Forex last year in like January, but I got started like March, and I blew accounts all the way until the end of the summer. So about a year.
And when did you start learning about candles?
When I got the course in April.
And how has your trading been since?
Oh, I haven't blown an account. I haven't blown my account, so it's up like I started over again because I was like, all right, I'm gonna do this right. I'm gonna get the course and learn how to trade.
Because
I
like
started with like 500 until I was saving, and
Screen
I'm
is stuck in blue right now, bro.
yeah, blue screens. I'm not gonna say I'm a pro, but I'm definitely a good trader.
Decent.
Much better. Because I got more confidence.
yeah, that's what it's all
I ain't even
about.
got the course. It's just like most of the shit that Don taught me on
I-
stream and
yeah.
sometimes like off stream.
Yeah, I don't got the course.
Like I'm telling you, you don't have to get the course. You just gotta stay in the
Yeah.
streams every day. Just show up every single day though. You can't just show
Because
up
it's all
once.
about experience, right?
It's
Like,
all about experience, yeah. You don't have to get the course. You don't have to pay
Yeah,
4
you
bills.
don't have to get it, but you can get it if you want to like more knowledge. Like we given like plenty of knowledge already. It's just like if you want to get more tapped into knowledge and whatnot,
Exactly, like
cop a course.
If
like,
you get the
like,
course,
streams
it's
was
better.
like
It's
this
better to do
live-
this.
it's
It's
like a
better
live
to
course.
like cop a course when you lose money rather than don't cop one and then keep continue to lose.
the thing I think about the
same
course,
money you lost, you could use on a course to make money.
yeah. Thing about the course is you will like, man, like
Like, we not here just to like super promote the course. Like
yeah.
we got it's hella results. Like dead ass hella results. Like
Thing about the course is you will get the only thing different from the course and the streams is you get okay you get more information obviously from the course. You get a lot more in-depth stuff, like a lot more, but you also get a group chat and you also get weekly webinars, well bi-weekly webinars, you know, like, and you'll also get like analysis for like every session. But yeah, those webinars every week is a simulation I do. I just simulate like a week and we just you know, we just trade like a week of simulation every Sunday. Once every 2 weeks, and that's it. But yeah, like
CP hit. Yes sir. You already know what this means.
man, GJ's still going here. Man, 2.0 for another 70 pips is 1.4, bro. Holy shit.
My goodness.
Bro, this might be a
Bro,
tank.
this week's been fucking great, man. Like I think this is one like
This might be a
not my best week, but this is like one of those weeks like damn.
I
I
think
made
this
good
is.
growth.
I think June gonna be like that the whole month.
Yeah. I hope June's one of those type months.
I think this is probably like one of my best weeks with like minimum positions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Yeah.
The whole point of trading is not to just enter buy and sell. The whole point of trading is to minimize your risk. By minimizing your risk, you're minimizing your positions you're entering during a week.
Mm-hmm.
That's the whole point of FX.
Remember, man. The thing of each position like a girlfriend. Like more you have, the more trouble you're gonna have.
I
'Cause,
got
look, if you get caught lacking by one, what you think is gonna happen with the others? You finna get caught lacking more.
Honest
So,
to God.
just stick one or two. Not saying real life, but you know, if your pocket's safe, you safe. You know, you can have two, but it's better to just
Lacking,
keep
bro.
one. You know,
He said
That
if
is
your
to keep
pocket
one.
safe, you can have two.
I'm telling you, bruh. One is enough, bruh. I don't care what no one says.
I got the course, and on the first day, your signal made me off it back. Hey, Jimmy, tell me your first experience with the signal.
Oh man, alright, so look, I'm my ML group, right? I'm like, bruh, these signals is ass. I'm like, yo, someone like sent Don's community, right? I'm like, yo, let me check this man out. Cause it was like, your signal's lit. I'm like, ain't no way this man this lit. Cause like, they was hyping it. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna check this out. Bruh, look,
US 30.
look, I was doing the work, right? Bruh, this man Don was like, buy gold. And then I'm like, gold? What the fuck is gold? Then like, bruh, I bought it. I made $100 in like 2 minutes. I'm like, what the hell? This kid fire as fuck. Babe, look, like that one signal was basically like 3 of those signals I had from my old IML. Like, come on, dog. I made more in that one signal than 3 signals.
IML, man.
Oh my god, such a waste. Bro, if I was using that same time when I was playing promoting all that shit, I don't know that. Dog.
Oh, IML, those guys are demons, man.
Oh god.
I swear.
Those guys are actually demons.
Bro, one of them.
I was in
I'm
IML
not-
too
I'm
before I
not-
started.
I'm not gonna talk about it on stream, but I'll talk about it in a live stream. Tell you. Shit funny as hell, bro. These chairmen is.
Hey, GG's about to flip bullet share to go up here.
No cap, no cap, no cap. Yeah, bro. You know we young and whatnot.
Yeah.
We just here to, chill with the homies, spread knowledge, good vibes.
Catch some shit.
Like, yeah, we serious about trading. It's just like, we not like edgy as shit on trading, We here to chill with the homies. This is like, chilling with the homies.
Oh my brother.
What's up? What happened?
It's an everyday routine.
TDI Kylie?
No, oh man, I'll show you guys later. I'll show you guys by the end of the day.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
This is Don, the bottom of the B-Law jacket.
Yeah, man. Oh brother. I'm actually one of my best days. This is one of my best days yet. I'm not gonna lie.
This man is ear to ear smiling right now. Ain't gonna lie,
Like the
boy.
first, like I never made a withdrawal the first 2 days of a month before in my life.
Damn.
Oh my brother.
This shit, my brother.
Thank you.
Bro, I just want my package to come in too, man.
I think someone stole my package. Honestly, at this point.
Today's a good day. Waiting for the package to come in.
Packing the mail is gone.
Bruh.
Literally, it's gone.
If
The
someone
looters got you, bro.
Bro, if someone stole my package, I'll actually cry, man. Like,
What was it?
top 3?
Some shoes?
Jordan 1 top 3.
Oh, top these?
Yeah,
Yeah. Big trip. Crazy.
bro. Someone stole these, yo, I actually cry, man.
Now they really want to steal it now that they know what's in it.
I want the obsidians too, they look nice.
Right. I'm just trying to cop pure pack forest. I've been looking for those shits forever. But
What is
every
that?
time I look for those, it's like a shoe that came like way back. But every time like everyone has it, it's
Hey,
like really
pause.
beat up. What's up?
She's just about to push up in 3 seconds
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
She's about to push up here. Hold on, I just had to say that. It's gonna push up here. It's gonna push up here. Once it breaks,
Well, buy stocks?
once it breaks this high, it's gonna really push here. I'm not. I entered down here. I give a second entry down here, but it's risk free now. But this is why I was happy. I was amped because like we're gonna break this high. We should be able to push up here. Come on. If this trade breaks, if we break this high, I'll be risk free on it, and I should
This
be.
makes
I
up for Tuesday, bro.
should be good to go up.
This makes up for that day that we wasn't streaming, man.
XAU USD again, please. It tapped my target already. I can't tell you much anymore, you know. It tapped that. I can't. I really can't tell you much.
Mans
I
are
said.
hungry, bro.
I said stealth stops at 1696 600, and there's a no drawdown down to the support. If you guys rewind a clip, go back to like 7:30 or 7 a.m. I said somewhere around there, but oh my brother.
Oh my days.
DJ is gonna pop off here.
Rock.
I'm expecting this candle to push up like this.
Zing.
Yeah, it's 9 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them now. You have like 30 minutes left.
Yep.
Where is Samuel
Bruh.
though? Sam is probably
Where's
mad.
Samuel? He's
Sam
a
missed every day.
sweet.
Sam missed like majority of the days this week.
My man was sleeping.
Bruh, this man stay every time when we get caught. This man be like, I'm gonna sleep early. Man, if you don't get you. Come on, bruh. If I can wake up early, anyone can, man.
Pro.
Bro. What a good day, man.
What a good day. Oh my.
Clap it up, boys. Clap it up, boys. We done caught damn near 400 pips 5 days, man. On live stream. Full
I'm about to
transparency.
secure 50% here on my runner on my second entry.
Damn.
Yeah.
Super. Hey, where are you?
Yeah. I'm gonna stop the entry. Damn.
Folks used to join me saying Forex not working. Alright, man. Like I say, is yep. Just keep thinking that way. People keep thinking it's a scam, this and that. Okay. Okay.
Someone messaged me. They're like, I flipped my entire account today.
Nice. Good shit.
This morning.
Now withdraw it.
I don't know. So someone said, "Bro, you're a goat. My account was flipped this morning. Thanks."
It's nice.
That's good
No,
shit.
I'm doing a
Now
withdrawal.
withdraw it. Now. Immediately. Toss the stream. Restore. Go sleep. Or whatever you gotta do. Alright, TP hit. I ain't never had a fucking $100 trade in a minute. Let's fucking go, bruh.
Yes, sir. Ski. Yes,
I turn off my mic,
sir.
bruh. I just did the fucking victory screen.
Bro, I'm
GG.
doing a withdrawal today too.
Yo.
DJ is
Yo, I'm
running.
finna get so lit Sunday, bruh. Oh my good. Oh my days. I mean tomorrow. Oh my days.
Bro, the drip better come in today then. Because today's a good day.
Ugh. But my friend talking about he was in the cell. RIP to you, my brother.
Oh, that's
wait,
the
for
coffin he was
GJ?
talking about. Remember the coffin he was talking about earlier?
No. That rechase. He thought like after that rechase of that push, it's gonna just drop. Hell no, this NFP GJ. This ain't no regular GJ. Once
He
this
said
shit
it's
pushes, it goes. Once it goes, it goes. I'm telling you, once it goes, it
It's
goes.
just jokes. It's GJ. It's NFP GJ.
This is NFP GJ. This is not no regular, bro.
Yo, this is Demon GJ, bro.
This is demon time, bro. This has.
Yo, Demon time to open my OnlyFans. I'm joking.
No. Please don't. Bruh. When do they freaking open up the stocks, bro? I'm trying to cop as much shares as I can.
Holy shit! I'm in profit here for all my entries.
Yeah, yo, I got another entry.
Oh my god, 13 pips in profit here. Secured half. I had first entries down here. It's just gonna run today. Stops at entry.
731.
Oh man, I might be able to make a withdrawal today.
Oh shit. Yo, I put your TP. I mean,
Bruh, man, if those other two positions get stopped out, man.
Oh,
man,
man.
I got a .50 running.
I mean, I caught my pips though. So.
I got lucky today though. I got lucky. I'm not gonna lie. I got lucky because I forgot to move my stop loss to that candle, and it came back down, but it didn't like really break it. But I was supposed to move it here, after the price came back down, tapped it, and then it didn't go up. But I forgot to move it on my MT5 because I was so like into it.
Oh my god, it's going up
Look at
still.
those, bro. Look at those
Damn.
two positions. I got stopped
Is
out.
that-
If I held those, I would not even need to trade no more until like Tuesday.
These are my two positions right now, literally running.
Them shit's spreading, goddamn.
Look at this. Look how green this looks. Look how blue. Look how blue this looks on my screen.
Look at the risk to reward.
Look at that.
Zero. There's no risk. Yeah.
So,
The stop loss I had was like the stop loss was
The
literally
only
like
risk?
a 6 pip stop.
Nah, they did. GG, bro.
Go run that demon time, man.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go, man.
We drop.
Doc,
Man, we
great
drop.
way.
We drop
great.
knowledge. We drop jokes. We drop everything in here, bruh.
My man Don got me a new pair. My man Don got me a new pair of shoes.
Shit. Thanks, man. You just
Thanks,
paid
man.
my. You just paid my internet bill, man. Appreciate you.
Man, just
That
got
one
more
trade
citizens.
just paid my internet bill. You know, gang. Whole
Oh,
game.
app, man.
Whole game eating.
Wrong chat. Ah man.
Damn, man.
Damn, man.
I have a 4.0 runner going for another
Come
like
on, cuz.
this 4.0 runner has a 80 pip move here. Man, running 30 pips in profit. Holy.
Something told me not to stay on scene for too short. Something told me.
Holy.
Yep, she's running a little longer today. 9:30 probably. Nice something. But it's a good day. Why not stay and just chill out,
That's what I'm saying.
discuss trades,
Oh,
and
shit,
charts,
yeah.
ask questions. Man,
Let's see.
Learn how to make some money.
Learn how to make some money, man. We teach you how to acquire the bag.
Literally.
Instead of giving you the fish, we teaching you how to fish.
Literally.
Simple.
brother, oh brother. Damn, I entered.
Man, just bruh, imagine you holding that buy from Sunday, bruh, till now. Oh my goodness.
I think I made more just scalping it, to be honest, than just holding
Yeah,
it.
deadass.
You
Nah,
really caught like everything.
He said nah.
Nah, like, bro, if I, man, cause look, I was protesting Sunday, right? And like, I'm like, yo, should I put in a buy right before I like go? And I'm like, nah, bro, I'm gonna just chill since Sunday. I look back after I went to sleep the next day. Woke up, I'm like, oh my god, I had the perfect entry in mind too, man. 15 pip stop, and that risk to reward was too insane, bro.
Please stay till NY Open, the real Open. Oh, at 10 p.m.
That's it.
Oh,
Want me to stay till 10 p.m.?
No, we're
we
done
gotta
for
go.
the day, bro.
We got to go.
I could. Like, I have time. We have like 4 or 5 minutes left, but I can stay till like 9:45 maybe, but.
Alright, this is Jonathan switched his freaking Robinhood account. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. Bruh. Yo, let me tell y'all another funny story. Alright, so my friend that works with me now, right? Bruh, he asked me if I trade. I'm like, yeah, what's up? Then he was like, stocks? I'm like, nah, I do FOREX. He was like this. He was like, why? It's hella risky. I'm like, stocks is hella risky. Then like, bruh, this man was like, this man showing me his portfolio. All I gotta say is, I feel so bad for him, bro. I'm like, yo, you can literally take out some of this money and trade and make that shit back. Literally, bruh. Yo, this man is down 5 fucking bands. What? 5 bands. I'm scared he might get margin called at this point, bro. Yo, that shit is scary, bro. Stocks is a whole different domain I'm not gonna touch, bro.
Me neither.
Bro, everyone keeps telling me to do. I'm like, nah, bro. Unless it's nah, bro. Dividend stocks. That's the only thing. Only stock shit I'll ever touch. But other than that, I'm not touching shit.
Oh, brother.
Oh my days.
Oh my goodness sake.
Boris Johnson dies.
Nah,
GJ all the way to the ground.
What happened? This is NFP, honestly. I don't think anything happened.
NFP.
Yeah, right? NFP. Yeah.
UK. What is it? UK what?
Does NFP affect it for the rest of the day?
The rest is effective for like majority, like
There's
I guess
the
like
aftermath.
some.
like
This
negotiation.
is just the aftermath of it.
Yeah, aftermath. Yeah.
But I don't know for how long though. But like, yeah, this is like just a general target. It could reach there.
But damn, GJ, holy fuck! If I had my like previous 1.0s on that shit, oh. Bro, I would have went to sleep.
Yeah. Why did I move the stop so freaking? How could I help both of those and then we can shape the rest of the day?
Nope. Don't do that. No fear of missing out.
Ain't no fun over here, bro. I got 100 plays.
Ain't no fear of missing out. Let me slap a 10.0 still.
I'm good.
Bro, one pip.
I have my trade for the day.
A 1 pip scalp, bro.
I'm
One
straight.
pip.
1 pip, 1.1.
One pip.
By the time you close it,
Hmm?
Oh, brother.
Binary. Can you stop? Please?
What a visionary.
All right, you know what I'm gonna do?
So.
I'm gonna give one free markup today. I don't usually do this. I focus mainly on my pairs, Gold, U30, and GJ. But today, I'm gonna give a free markup. So the first person to send a pair in a chat, I'll look at that pair and I'll break it down. Just make sure it's not any of these pairs I already have up.
somebody already.
First person in the YouTube chat.
Let me pair. Full breakdown. You're not gonna see this.
You gonna do like a breakdown for like next week?
Nah, breakdown for today.
Okay.
Breakdown for today. Oh my brother. Oh shit, this position is running, bro.
Almost at TP.
Bro. Oh, bro. Oh, I can't wait to close this. I can't wait to close this. Oh my, I can't wait to close. I can't wait to close.
Yo, we get a clip. We got the clip of the day.
Yo, I'm closing it. Fuck it. Alright, I'm good.
Yo, this shit finna shoot right.
I'm gonna
through
close
the target.
one half.
I'm happy. I'm done for the day.
I'm gonna close the bigger position. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna leave the 2.0 running.
Secure profits.
I'm gonna leave the 2.0 running.
Damn, bro.
I'm actually close.
Oh shit!
Oh, gang eating crazy. Are you dumb?
Stupid.
Stupid. Oh my days. Wow, what an NFT, bro. I'm going to close on MC4. I'm gonna delete it. I'll reinstall it on Sunday. This should be one good weekend.
Just down to 55.
Oh my brother. Yo. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just going. AUD USD. Okay, I'll look at AUD USD. I'll look at AUD USD for you. Let me update this first. How many pips were we in profit by for GJ? Hold on.
This is
This position is. You know what? I'm gonna just close all positions here. I'm satisfied with this. I'm out of this. I'm closing out of this here, guys. Close. I'm off of this. That's not leave running.
We all made money today.
I'm closing all my positions here, guys.
Yeah, same. Enjoy the nice weather, boys.
Enjoy the nice.
115 pips.
Go outside, have some fresh air.
115 pips.
Go out. Go order yourself some McFlurries, man.
Nah, bro. I don't eat McDonald's no more, bro.
Why? It's so good.
Chick-fil-A, man. That
Oh,
shit is
honestly,
addiction. And if Chick-fil-A closed on Sundays, we going to Zaxby's, boys. Nah, I don't need to chill with the fast food, bro. Chill out.
Oh, brother, 115 pips. This run, the second entry went for a nice 55 pips.
nice.
No.
$55 pips. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna send the profits here. I'll show you guys.
Man, like done.
Day is done here. All trades were taken on the string.
Don, you used to start your stream at like what? Like
7.
7? Oh,
Yeah.
you pushed it back to 7 now?
Yeah. No, 6:30 now.
Oh.
Someone just asked me, think we may get a big drop on GJ. Oh, brother. Yes. Oh, yes. Brother.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, man. If you're asking that question, you shouldn't, like, sells? Like, I don't know. Like, look at this.
You are in a crip neighborhood.
Look at the weekly time frame. Now look at the daily time frame. Alright, now look at the 4-hour. I don't know what's bearish. I don't know what's no. Maybe I don't know, man. That's a
maybe
no-no.
on the 1 minute it's a little bit bearish, but I don't know.
We're close 50% at 10 pips.
Follow the trend, my brother.
Here.
We're not trying to clown you, but we're just trying to make you think a little bit on the ledge, bro.
Bro, look what I sent you guys. I'm done. That's my day. That was the day. That was a day. That was a day.
Super safe.
Nah, today's amazing, bro.
All the trades I secured at 10 pips too. All the trades. I did the same thing as I would usually do. The rest is just runners.
Oh my god.
DD is on fucking Kylie. Crazy, man.
Alright, boys. Time to do some shopping.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the stream here. Actually, I'm looking at USD first. I'm gonna look for you.
AUD,
Holy shit. It's a fucking app.
I ain't gonna lie. My man's is hype. Alright, everyone shut up. Last breakdown of the day.
10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes left, sure. Alright, so AUD USD. The weekly. Oh shit, AUD USD went up this week. The weekly is bullish. It's at some type of resistance. So, I also think the move's done here. Hit daily at resistance as well. 4-hour is at some type of resistance here, and now we're bouncing off at this level. 1 hour is currently okay. So, I mean, I think the move's like looking at the daily. There's no more range for it to go up. Honestly, like maybe like we can come up to here today at 754. That's like a nice like 18 pip move, but we need this 1 hour candle to close bullish first. So if it closes bullish like this, you can probably enter a position, anticipating a wick fill and anticipating the top of the range to get filled, and that would be your move. Other than that, like this, it's at heavy resistance now on the weekly, so I wouldn't really mess with it as much. But yeah. Damn. Who's in the calls though? Robert, Nev, okay. Alright guys, I close my positions here on GJ. And I'm gonna just make a quick video before I hop off for Instagram. What song should I do? If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like, please leave a like, and also share the stream with your friends, share the channel. If you guys go back and go in the video section of the channel, there's gonna be a video on simulation. You guys can get gems from there. I'm gonna drop another simulation too though. But let me actually do this real quick.
My nuts. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Bro, I think my neighbor Slick be mad at me, bro. Why be in the morning? We too lit, bro. Goddamn Karens live on both sides of my house. Fucked up, bro.
Alright guys, hope everyone has an amazing day today. I'm gonna log off here. Don't overtrade today. You should no reason to overtrade. You should be done. You should be done trading on a Friday. Just take your shit and leave it. Like
sit on your fucking hands.
Yeah, it's try your best not to you know. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna log off here. Sorry to tell you guys, but peace. And see you guys on Monday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern.
Sure. No more late times.
Yes, sir.